Today we're going to talk about ceiling fans and how to properly set them for the winter and the summer. When it comes to this, you want to get the right setting and you will save on your energy. Power off at the switch. Then turn the fan back on. Turn the fan back on to see which way the blades are turning. And turn it down low. You want them moving counterclockwise for the summer. That's creating a draft. If you stand below it, you'll feel the draft below. That's the summertime. For the winter, you'll want them blades moving clockwise. So you have to flip that little switch to the right, and it'll force the air up where the hot air is sitting near the ceiling. Well, thanks for watching. This is Bill from One Betty Bill, and I just showed you fan settings for winter and summer. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. Remember, flip the switch for summer down or left. Flip the switch for winter up or to the right. Some fans have them left and right, the little switch. Others have them up and down. Save a little energy. Get that fan going right. Thanks again.